Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Fidelity Investment account. Now, before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now, let's get into the video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open up any web browser on a PC. Now, there, search for Fidelity Login. Now from the search result, tap on the very first link, login to the Fidelity Investment. Once you tap on it, you will taken to the login page of Fidelity Investment. Now here, you have to type in your username and the password of your account. Now, if you're new to this Fidelity Investment, then you have to firstly register your Fidelity Investment account. For that, you have to tap on this Register Now button and follow all the on-screen prompts till the end. Now, if you want your system to remember your username, then you can tick this square box so that you don't have to manually type in your username in your next visit. But if you're using others or shared device, then make sure to uncheck or leave this box as it is. Now, if in case you have forgotten your username or your password, you can tap on this having trouble with your username or password link to retrieve your username or password. And if you want to get logged into your employee benefits on net benefits, you can tap on this login to your employee benefits on net benefits link. And if you want to log into Fidelity charitable account, you can tap on login to Fidelity charitable link. Now, once you're done with typing in your credentials, tap on login button. Now, that's all it takes to get logged into your Fidelity Investment account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.